Thank you for trusting Smith-Blair. Please abide by all state, local, and federal safety requirements and regulations when installing any Smith-Blair product. Follow all OSHA guidelines. Please use proper tools and personal protective equipment when installing Smith-Blair products. Today we will present an installation guide for your 921 top bolt flange coupling adapter. These are single bolt steel FCAs. Installation instructions can be found attached to the coupling bolt. Always read these carefully. Using a top bolt tape or standard pie tape, measure the outer diameter of the pipe. Using the instructions on the top bolt tape or the range printed on the body, determine whether to remove the inner gasket. Remove the inner gasket if necessary. If it is removed by mistake, simply align the gasket grooves and place the inner gasket back into the outer gasket. Mark the pipe at the minimum insertion depth listed on the instruction sheet. Lubricate the gasket and the pipe. Do not use pipe soap or grease. Lubricant should be suitable for your application and compatible with the pipe. Slide the coupling end onto the pipe. Bolt the flanged end to the compatible flange. Before torquing, ensure that the pipe is aligned properly and the insertion depth mark is no longer visible. The use of a properly calibrated torque wrench is required. Torque specifications can be found on the installation instructions. Torque fully. For 16-inch sizes and larger, maintain equal gaps between flange halves by alternating bolts. Top bolts 6-inch and larger employ Smith-Blair's patented double-acting bolt technology that only requires a standard depth socket. Each turn of the head on a double-acting bolt equates to 2 turns on a regular bolt. When you pair this with the specially formulated anti-gall coating, your effort and energy will be reduced tremendously. After pressurization, check nuts for proper torque and retorque if necessary. Thanks for watching our video. For questions or concerns, you can contact us at 1-800-643-9705 or visit us online at www.smith-blair.com.